Imagine a world where laughter isn't just fun, but vital. Have you heard? Shrek 5 is on the way, ready to tickle your funny bones. Laughter lowers stress, boosts immunity, and even helps you connect better. So get ready to giggle in upcoming Shrek 5 trailer. Funny moments build bonds. Shrek, Fiona, and friends show us how a healthy laugh can light up even the darkest days. Did you know laughter is an exercise? Just like yoga, it stretches your soul and rejuvenates your spirit. Let's get fit with laughs. Laughter knows no boundaries. In different cultures, it's the ultimate expression of joy. Join the laughter revolution, Shrek style. Share the joy, bring family together, just like in Shrek. Let laughter be the backdrop to your family movie nights. Fun is contagious. Adventure awaits. With Shrek 5, joy is just a laugh away, ready to embark on a hilarious journey like never before. Balance is key. Mindfulness and laughter together nourish your mind and heart. Join us for laughs to find your true wellness path. Follow us for more and enter the Opti BioLife experience. Embrace joy and laughter in your life with Shrek.